Let's take a look how to do downward facing dog. Usually we start from kneeling position. Fingers forward, index finger forward, spreading your fingers nice and wide. And from here, I'm gonna tuck my toes. I'm gonna lift my hips and extend it back. I'm gonna keep my knees bent for now. What I want to do, I want to shift more weight in the strong muscles of the legs, so not all my weight is into my shoulders. So this is shoulder opener, as is hamstring opener, calves opener. Okay, so if I can align my biceps with my ears, that's really good. Okay, for some people with the tighter shoulders, you're going to be maybe here. Okay, so bend your knees even more to allow to melt your chest towards your thighs. Open those shoulders. Elbows straight. Okay, spend a few moments here. Okay, if you feel okay here, you don't feel anything in your hamstrings, you can bring the heels down, straighten your knees. And slowly rolling down onto the mat. So the same as in puppy pose, your arms in external rotation. This is hard to show when you're on your feet. So imagine your arm stays like this, upper arm, and then my hands down without changing anything in this part. Lift your hips up. And release it down. And keep in mind that heels towards the ground or straight knees in downward facing dog is not the goal. The goal is to work your body evenly, notice where you hold the tension, and adapt to those needs. My own personal experience, the downward facing dog a few years ago, it looks completely different than it is now. So keep practicing and see what works for you.